Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use Amex points to book flights on Japan Airlines. First, pick an airline partner. You can't transfer Amex points directly to Japan Airlines, so choose a partner like American Airlines, British Airways, Cathay Pacific, Qantas, and Alaska Airlines. Next, check award availability. Go to the partner's website, search flights, and choose redeem miles or award travel. Compare point cost. Each partner has different rates and fees. Next, transfer Amex points. Once you find a flight, log in to your Amex account, transfer points to your chosen partner, and wait for confirmation. Next, book your flight. Finish the booking on the partner's site and secure your Japan Airlines award ticket. Tip: use tools like Roam, the Points Guy, or Upgraded Points to compare redemption values and availability before transferring. And that's it. Your Amex points can take you on Japan Airlines. And that's how to use Amex points to book flights on Japan Airlines. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.